We need to move the hedge plants and make it a pathway for the entrance of the house, same level as the driveway and same shape as the paving on the driveway. We recycle the pavers from the backyard and then we lay it for the entrance of the house. Then cleaning and moving the existing turf, make some garden edge, one around this tree, another one there, and one course to that side. Then we have some cleaning and laying that new turf in the backyard and plant some plantings. And also the stepstone and pebbles in the side of the house as a pathway after cleaning and spraying with mat for this part. We're going through. And removing the weeds.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it, get after it. Get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
That's better than the sand. The sand is moving, as you can see. This one moved to the side, and I need to fix it when I'm coming down. So guys, the concrete around the edge, it's done, and we're closing, not moving the others in the corner. Now I'm using the washed Sydney sand and broom to fill up the gaps between the pavers. So So guys, good morning. This is the next day. We're coming and continuing to finish pavers up to the power box in the front boundary line, and also install the timber garden edge timber slipper to height of the match by the pavers coming level to stop mixing pebbles and the turf. Also I put this because of the drainage. We need to use that for the turf area. If we have the heavy rain, then we can use it to move the water from the garden. That's a good one. We have two more in the other sides, in back of the turf area, and also in the middle one. So I just screw this to the timber and cover it. This post should be lower than the edge and cover it by the pebbles or by the turf. If it's this side, that looks better. Hide it. So good morning guys. After 2 days we back to the job. Today is Monday and to laying pebbles on the pathway. What we did, we leave that the pavers on the concrete to set the concrete for 2 days, and then we start laying the pebbles from the beginning, fill up the areas between the pavers, and then wheelbarrow can come easy to continue it and finish it, and it's not moving the pavers. It's coming there, slowly going and fill it up, and on with mat is under. This is Crow White pebbles. Crow White and Western White is the same pebbles, round. It's a round pebbles, 20 mil. It's easy to walk on. A smaller is a bit hard to walk and move the stuff by the wheel on top of it, and the big one, it's a bit harder to walk if you don't have the pavers. But 20, it's a middle size and it's good to laying. It's a bit mix of the charcoal and yellowy pebbles and white. It's called Crow White, same as the Western White. We have a Western White, crushed Western White or round Western White. Normally we use the round for the pathway because it's easier to walk on.